All right. Intro take like 4 or whatever the hell we're doing. Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, Jaculator Lake Jackson, but we're doing something new. I'm at my niece's place. This is Seraphim, my niece, who's awesome. She's totally not imaginary, totally not made up, awesome person. I didn't just break into her house and force her to eat horrible candy. This is going to be a different episode. This is going to be more of a taste testing thing. We're not going to be cooking this one. We will be cooking next time, so that'll be awesome. She'll be back. I hope. See what I mean? So, before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, ring the little bell to get notifications when we do this, and be sure to check the link down in the doobly-doo for our merch, which I'm not wearing, so that's not a really good plug. But, shameless plug over, let's go eat some horrible candy. This will be fun. Alright, so I found these at like a local Walgreens, but it's turkey dinner, apple pie, and coffee candy corn. I enjoy candy corn. I enjoy turkey, but it's also got green beans, roast turkey, cranberry sauce, and stuffing. So, and apple pie somewhere. So we're gonna go ahead and taste test these, man. Sorry about the video. I just wanted to go over and hang out with my niece, and yeah, gonna try these out. It doesn't look like regular candy corn. It's like spooky looking. So, yeah, you pour these out. 3 of these, the turkey, the pie, and the stuffing, look damn near exactly alike. So you can tell we couldn't figure it out while we're shooting this. All right, so we want to start with which one? What is this? That looks important.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. All right.
Sniff. Oh.
Mine was coffee, I think.
It's fine if I like it or not.
I can't tell if it's coffee or turkey.
Definitely not turkey.
Good. Either way, it's rough. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's funky. Okay.
I don't think I like that one.
You got little super dark ones?
No, I do not have those.
Yeah. There's one.
Oh. This one?
Yeah, okay. Maybe these are the coffee ones since they're smaller. Yeah, that's definitely coffee. That's not bad. That's a good one.
Then last one I said turkey. You kind of weird.
Maybe that's what this one is.
This thing.
Yeah, I think that's what that one is. All right. Coffee one's good. Okay.
Yeah.
That's got to be turkey dinner.
This one?
Or stuffing.
Let me see.
Ah.
Let me see. Might be stuffing.
Nope, that's turkey. Yep, that's the turkey flavored candy corn.
Are you okay?
No. I like turkey and I like candy corn, and I don't know why I ate that, but it's horrible.
I like both, but it's a weird combination.
Whew. So that means that other one we had must have been the stuffing. That's why it's tasting weird. All right. Here's the one I'm really scared about.
The green one.
Let's do some green bean flavored. That's the only thing it can be, right?
I'm scared. I mean, what else is green on Thanksgiving? I mean, key lime pie, but that's not on the bag.
Oh, no. That is nasty. Brock's, you can't eat people. You ought to be ashamed for doing that.
It's stuck in my brace.
Why? I guess if you're a green bean fanatic, people would like it. But it's almost like mown grass, like the jelly belly green. Whew.
That was disgusting.
Okay.
Like.
The right stuff. It's cranberry sauce.
Or apple pie.
Or apple pie.
Either way, it'll be good.
Yeah. Well, cranberry probably good. This is what I got. That's pretty good. All right. Take the fucking green.
I'll swallow it.
Yeah. Take the green beans out of these, and they're not bad. The turkey and the stuffing are weird, but not horrible.
I'm gonna swallow the green bean one.
Oh.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, don't.
I'm scared. Hold on.
I'm curious where the apple pie would go.
I ever said do it.
Okay. No, gotta do it now. You contributed. It's on camera. They said you have to eat it. Here, I'll do it too. I ain't gonna chew the fucking thing. I just swallowed it.
I did it.
Okay.
I did it. Now make some more.
And there you have it, folks. We taste tested the turkey dinner candy corn just in time for Halloween and Thanksgiving. Bring this to your family gathering. They'll never ask you to bring anything to the potluck ever again. Special shout out and thanks to my niece. And we will see you next time. We're going to go trick the rest of our family into eating this stuff. It'll be awesome. Catch y'all later. So there you have it. We taste tested these things. The coffee was amazing. The cranberry sauce was pretty good. The rest of it you could probably keep. Now, if you can make them look a little different, where you know when you're getting the turkey and the stuffing and whatever, you can solve world hunger by doing this and giving people candy corn instead of turkey dinners. That's a lie. Yeah, the stuffing with the sage was not great. The green beans was absolutely terrible. But I love that Brox went and did this and threw it out there and just let people try it and let people have it. But I'm definitely using this on Halloween as a trick, not so much as a treat. But this was fun, and I got to hang out with my niece, who's super creative, super fun, really an awesome person. So that was really cool. And now I'm gonna let you see some behind the scenes where I went and made my sister and my other niece wanted to try some of this stuff out and get their reactions too. So we're totally just in the hallway ambushing family members and make them eat it. Brother-in-law was so much in the dark we can't see him, so I don't will use that one. This is my other sister, Bradley. This is her place.
That one's green bean.
Gonna try the green bean. This is everybody's favorite so far. Nom nom nom. Oh. Tastes like mown grass, doesn't it?
It tastes like green bean.
No,
Iris, do you want to try the green one?
There's little Rizzy in the back.
Ask.
Can she try the green real quick?
Yeah.
You want to try that one?
Are y'all just trying to not get her to eat any candy before Halloween?
Yep.
Like,
So I can have it all. You want to try that?
and my,
No, thank you.
Iris, you like that
there
one?
she goes. Yeah.
Go for it. I got mine right here. Ready?
Huh?
Yeah, you ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
See,
That one's good, huh?
That was very good. Okay.
That.
Oh, that's one. Iris. Here.
You ready? Oh. Oh. Oh,
Did you
Go
get
ahead,
stuffing or
swallow it.
turkey?
No, you know what?
Oh no, it just tastes like burnt. Oh, got stuff.
Wait, which one was that?
Oh.
Turkey. She likes the coffee one.
Oh, that was so horrible.
What, was it bad?
Oh.
So the turkey one?
I don't know. It was